Relevant review. Adjective describe noun and pronouns. Adjective questions. Which one? What kind? How many? Whose? So far you have learned that adjectives are made up of one word. Let's study how group of words can act together as a single adjective. We will be learning about prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases are group of words without both a subject and a verb that act together as a single unit, a single part of speech. You have already learned about one kind of phrase, a verb phrase. Remember that a verb phrase is at least one helping verb and a main verb acting together as a verb. It's easy to remember that verb phrases act as a verb because the word verb is right in their name. This is a little harder to remember, but prepositional phrases usually act as an adjectives or adverbs. The definition of a preposition sounds very complicated, and I find that by teaching with many examples and not focusing too much on the definition, beginning students can more easily understand prepositions. I have included a list of common prepositions at the end of this lesson. You can use that as a reference sheet if you would like. Prepositions are words that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word or element in the rest of the sentence. They are always in prepositional phrases. Examples: into the house, around the corner, with ketchup, to him. Prepositions are one of the part of speech. A prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition and end with a noun or a pronoun. It will often include adjectives that modify the noun or pronoun. Into the house, into preposition, house, noun. The technical name for a noun or a pronoun in a prepositional phrase is the object of the preposition. This is another noun job. You know that one noun job is a subject, and now you know about another noun job, object of the preposition. Prepositional phrases act as single part of speech. Adjectives. Look at this sentence. What kind of word is striped? The striped monkey fell. Striped is an adjective modifying the noun monkey. It tells us which monkey. Now look at this sentence. What is with stripes? What is its role in the sentence? The monkey with stripes fell. With stripes is a prepositional phrase. It starts with a preposition with and it ends with a noun stripes. The whole phrase is acting as an adjective. The prepositional phrase answers an adjective question. It tells us which monkey, the monkey with stripes. Do you see how the whole phrase is acting as an adjective? Good. It's time to explore some examples.